What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to install DaVinci Resolve video editor on Windows. It's a powerful professional editing software, and the setup process is pretty straightforward if you follow along. First, open your browser and head to the official DaVinci Resolve website. Scroll down a bit, and on the left side of the page, you'll see a button that says Free Download Now. Go ahead and click that. Next, a new box will pop up showing two different versions of DaVinci Resolve. For this tutorial, click the Windows button on the left side to download the free version for Windows. Before the download starts, you'll be asked to fill out a form. This includes basic information like your name, company, email, phone number, country, and state. Once you've filled everything out, click the Submit button. After that, the download will begin. At the time of this video, the latest version is DaVinci Resolve 18.1.3, and you'll see a red download button. Click it and the file will start downloading. The file name will be something like DaVinci Resolve _18.1.3 _windows.zip. And keep in mind it's a large file, around 3.1 gigabytes. Now, important note here, this is a zip file, not an exe file. Once the download finishes, right-click on the zip file and select Extract Here. After the extraction is complete, you'll see a new exe file with the same name as a zip file. Double-click that exe file to begin the installation. The DaVinci Resolve installer will open. Click on the Install button to install the required components needed for the software to run properly. The installation process will now start, and this may take a few minutes depending on your computer's performance. Once all the required libraries are installed, you'll be taken to the setup screen. Click the Next button to continue. You'll then see the End User License Agreement. Click the Radio button to accept the terms and then click Next. After that, choose a destination folder where you want DaVinci Resolve installed and click Next again. Now you're ready for the final step. Click the Install button to begin installing the full software. Since DaVinci Resolve is a large program, this step can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen letting you know DaVinci Resolve has been successfully installed. Click Finish to close the installer. And that's it. DaVinci Resolve is now installed on your Windows PC and ready to use. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.